Hey everyone, welcome to another Flutter development series. And in this series we'll be looking at how to create a chat app the right way. Not just creating the UI, not just using Firebase, but creating it the right way with proper modules, proper testing, and using Firebase alternative known as Rethink database. And as you can see here from our system overview, how our approach will be, we will have our Flutter application, which consists mainly of your UIs and your state management, and then we'll have our app services, which basically is your Flutter library or package that contains all the services necessary for chat app to work, and those services will connect directly to our Docker container where we will be running an instance of Rethink DB. And so as you can see how our app will look like, which we will have the basic building blocks of every chat application, where we'll have our user service, our message service, and our receipt service, and our typing notifier service. All these will be called by our block, and then those will use to render the UI in our app. So if this is something that you are interested in, join me as we develop a chat app the right way. See you in the next video.